First, prepare a ruler. Tap the settings icon in the bottom left corner to facilitate moving the machine. Place the elastic band under the presser foot naturally without pulling it taut. Next, tap Device Detection, then the presser foot icon. Tap the first button on the left. This is the thread cutting test. Hold the elastic band in place until sewing completes. The number of stitches completed is 60, a fixed system value that cannot be altered. Measure the length of this stitched section in millimeters, about 145 millimeters, which contains 60 stitches. Calculate this speed by dividing 145 by 60, yielding 2.41. Return to the main interface and select wheel speed. Enter 2.41 and confirm the data. This is the way to get the wheel speed.